It's a new day. We're going to meet Hassan in the Hagia Sophia now, rather than the Blue Mosque, which is like right back there. So instead, we're gonna go to that mosque over there, which originally was a church, but they got smoked, so now it's a mosque. I don't think we're meant to do that, but that's history.
It's a spontaneous day today. Don't really know what's planned. Just gonna go with the flow. And you already know we're gonna bring back the electric scooters for today. It's a must do.
Yeah. Definitely need those electric scooters. Why waste time walking around? You can get to the place quicker and more funner. Yeah, it's a more funner way of going. That's the right word, isn't it? Funner.
100%.
Fully looks like Assassin's Creed. Some construction going on. Currently waiting for a tram. Not that one. We're gonna go that way. So we're just waiting for a tram to come collect us, our private tram. We booked out the whole thing, so yeah, so it's a private tram just for us.
So let me know all the people on it.
No, I invited those people that are gonna be on that tram because I don't want it to look empty in it. I want it to look like it's a party. So yeah, we've got a private tram that's gonna collect us. And I hired some people to get on as well, just, you know, to fill in the spaces. So yeah, we'll wait for that. Alright, we're getting on to our private tram. Hey, quick, before the doors close. So I hired every single one of these people here. Huh?
Too many, man.
Nah, look, I put out a poll in it, like, it was an open invitation, but too many people arrived. I didn't know I was that famous, so it's alright.
Lesson for next time, innit?
They're here for the aesthetic. That's all it is. Look, people are just ungrateful, innit? They're not thanking me for like getting them on this. They don't know it's me, innit? Yeah, it's anonymous. I'm just found an active scooter for free. Someone's already paid for it.
This one's forgot to end there, right?
Maybe. But yeah, we're waiting for the bus now. It's my private coach that I got. So no, it's a private coach.
Oh.
No, it's down there. Alright, bro, relax, bro. Man, shit yelling.
I'm not taking these.
No, we're taking my private coach. Okay, so basically we missed my private coach. It left without me, so
Sorry, private.
we're gonna have to take the scooters. So yeah, that'll be fun.
I wonder if someone's gonna end it while I'm riding.
Gonna fool her.
We'll find out.
So we've gotten off our scooters because it's too far. So we're gonna take an Uber now. So we've got some little skateboard. Damn, oh, that's a shame. I look around like as if no one saw. Oh, he's getting ready. He's getting ready. Okay. Come on. Oh, he sliced his bum. Wait. So my chauffeur has picked us up now. So just going to the spot. I don't know where it is, but I'm blindly following this Turkish guy, so hopefully I'm okay. So we've just arrived at the port on our scooters.
Take pictures.
Okay. Currently at the port, we've got like some castle stuff. Not really the castle, but like the walls that were built to prevent his type getting into the country. So yeah, it's quite nice. Now back on our scooters. So we are at this place called Carcass. I want a gin and tonic with lemons.
That's cool, man. That's cool.
Yeah, let's go. We got our pide, lahmacun, some salad. Hassan's cousin has joined us today.
Yeah, I think that's the right way. All over there.
It's a bit too much.
Bunu yiyemiyorsa kaldırıyorum. Bunun lahmacunu yeşiliyor. Alır mısınız?
Yani istersen şunun üzerine biraz
Şöyle yapayım.
So Arham ordered all of this for himself.
You need the energy for a big tournament coming up, so you've got to be prepared, you feel me?
Alright.
yapışıyor oradan. Onlar da var şimdi. Bir de inişli çıkışlı oluyor onlar oldu. İlk defa gördüm.
He devoured all of that.
No, I guess, bro. Yeah, big guns like this. You 4,000 calories a minute.
A minute?
Sadece tatma için.
You're a blue whale.
Tatma için. Süper değil. Hadi büyü dedi yani.
Bro, this thing is basic, fam. Look at this. Oi. Damn, look at that. That's cool. That is cool. That's a very nice tool.
Cool little gadget.
I know you want that little gadget over there.
Little gadget.
That is cool. That would be good for the Dastakhan, innit? That would be good. There's always that, just food on it. Like, yeah, that'd be good. Look at that. You're wearing his cousin's car now.
I've got hella space, have you got space there?
Yeah, I'm alright. Got a nice little pan roof. No, wait, sunroof.
I feel like I could have.
You think it can open?
Şurası açılıyor mu yukarısı?
No, sunroof. So you're wrong, as usual.
I never said anything.
No, you're always
I
wrong.
never said anything.
That's why you're blowing
I never
accounts.
said anything, huh? I haven't done that kind of wow.
You're currently in a mall in Turkey, Istanbul. So it's one of the biggest malls they have, I think, one of the best ones. Kind of like the Dubai Mall, but their version of it. I'm not really a guy that likes malls, because I don't really understand it. It's just a bunch of nonsense everywhere. It looks nice though. And you don't really buy much, so it's kind of pointless. But yeah, this is what it is.
I don't know what we're looking for, but we're here.
Yeah, we don't even know what we're here for. We're just here. Hey, did you just rob mine? These are actually so cheap. It's actually insane. These are way cheaper than in London.
That's gold for you though. That's why I don't like gold though. Because you would try to take out before going all the time.
You know, if I had more daily drawdown, yeah.
So I'm out here in Istanbul. Took a trade. I'm trying to get out of drawdown. It's not that great. I'm still down like 9k, 8k, almost there. But like, wow, the Swarovski is so cheap here. It's actually so cheap. And as I'm doing that, like I'm almost at a drawdown, taking these nice gold shorts. See how it goes? But yeah, Swarovski. It's my favorite. I love Swarovski.
I was also in these gold sells, and I never had a lot of daily drawdown left, and it stopped me out and dropped, and I'm in like 6-7% drawdown, and this would have been like, you know, very beneficial, but it stopped me out, and then decided to, you know, go towards my TP. It is what it is. They call it a drawdown king for a reason. I'll get out of it eventually. But yeah.
Oh, this is out of like GTA or something, fam. What the flip? Wow. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. Just get more of this view. Bro, look at this. What the hell? Oh, the camera's not doing it justice, but oh my gosh. That is nuts. Are you seeing how cool my apartments look?
Yeah.
Bro, that is insane. Damn, look at that. Nice.
I'm not a fan.
Oh, he's already. I haven't even started, and you're already finished.
It was tiny.
Okay, okay. We're on our way back to the hotel. Trade hit break even, unfortunately. It is what it is. I was up 17k, but it happens. It's normal. It's normal. At least I bought this. At least I got that. So it's can't. Oh what? Hey yo, we got KFC. It is closed. Yeah. Because I haven't seen a KFC in Turkey like ever. But this one's closed. It's weird. Ah, bro, we should have come here, man. Whole food court. Oh well. Back to London we go in 2 days. Tomorrow we're probably just going to do our last bits of shopping to get our suitcases ready. And yeah, go back to London on Saturday. So now we're just going back to the hotel. Right, so we're being abandoned on the side of the road.
With a nice view though.
With a nice view though. But they're leaving us. Right. That's it, we've been left. We're just abandoned on the side. It's a cool place though. Damn! Look at that. That is a view. The city is calling me. I think my lens is dirty. In an Uber, going home. We've got nice ambient lighting. It's like cool red lighting. It's a red taxi. We might be going to get killed. We're going to the red room. But it's okay. Arham can take pain quite well. You've been tortured before? I threw you down the stairs in a box. Do you remember that? And I'm not lying, I did. And he survived and he didn't cry, so... Trump Towers. Does it actually say Trump Towers?
Yeah. It's the building behind this one. Where's the building been?
You're a liar.
This one behind, watch it. Behind us.
You're lying.
Oh, it's the rank on that side.
So you're lying to me.
I don't know if I'll say this.
So you're lying.
You're too slow. You're too slow.
You lied to me.
Right, Trump Towers on Google Maps will come up.
Oh. Shut up.